In this video, I will guide you how you can add before and after section into your Shopify store. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the three dots and click on the edit code. But before going into the editing of your code, you need to make sure to click on the three dots and click on the duplicate so that you have a backup copy of your particular theme. Then you need to simply head over to the sections which is on your left side and then click on add new section. Now you need to name it, let's say before after or anything like that, and then click on the done button. After that, you just need to click on the link in the description below and press Ctrl A into your keyboard and copy all of this code. Then you just need to paste it just like this and click on save on the top right corner. Now once you have saved this, you can now click on the three dots and click on the customize theme. Now what you need to do is to simply click on this add section if you want to add it on your main page. Otherwise, if you want to add it into a particular product, you can also do so, but it is kind of like a difficult process. Otherwise, click on the add section and then you just need to scroll all the way until you see before and after. If I click on this will gonna add it just like this. Now you can again change the text according to your requirements, but for now I will simply click on these columns which you can again adjust according to your requirements, and everything here is customizable. So you need to make sure to adjust it, and then you can now go back and click on the title. Now I need to add a title. Let's say I want to add some client name right in this place, and let's add a description. But before that, if I click on the select image, I will simply add this before and after image, which is a fitness image. Now in the description again you can add it, and once you have added the text, this is how it will gonna look like. So if I click on the save, again you can add more before and after images with title and customizable description. So that's the way of how you can add before and after section in Shopify.